What should a construction site safety inspection cover? Have you ever wondered what goes into a construction site safety inspection? These inspections are essential for keeping workers safe in a field known for its risks. Let's break down what a thorough inspection should include. First, personal protective equipment is a must. Workers should wear hard hats, gloves, safety goggles, high-visibility vests, steel-toed boots, and hearing protection. For those working at heights, full body harnesses and lanyards are necessary when working above 6 feet. Next, we have fall and ladder safety. Ladders and stairways need to be safe and well maintained. Ladders should extend at least 3 feet beyond landing points. Stair rails must be installed for elevation changes over 30 inches or for risers. Guardrails are also required for scaffolding. Electrical safety is another critical area. Ground fault circuit interrupters must be used on all portable electrical tools. Electrical panels should be properly labeled, and cords and plugs must be intact. Light bulbs should be protected from breakage, and ladders must be used correctly to avoid accidents. Tool and equipment safety cannot be overlooked. Inspect hand tools and power tools for any damage or missing safety guards. Portable circular saws, grinders, and pneumatic tools should have guards and safety clips installed. Heavy machinery like cranes and forklifts must be regularly maintained and checked for defects. Any unsafe tools should be removed from use immediately. Hazardous materials and environmental controls are also vital. There should be supplies available for hazardous material spills, and workers must be trained on silica dust and other respiratory hazards. Proper ventilation and respiratory protection are necessary where dust and fumes are present. Housekeeping and site conditions play a big role in safety. The site should be neat and orderly, with clearly marked and unobstructed exits. While openings and floor holes need to be covered or guarded, and protruding rebar must have protective caps. When it comes to confined spaces, permits for entry must be completed. Lockout and tagout procedures should be followed for equipment maintenance to prevent accidental startup. Emergency preparedness is essential too. There should be a person trained in cardiopulmonary resuscitation and first aid on site. Emergency exits must be accessible, and workers should be trained in emergency evacuation and fire extinguisher use. Training and competent personnel are key. Workers should be trained in the safe operation of machinery and tools, fall protection, and emergency procedures. A competent person should oversee scaffolding and fall protection systems. Lastly, road and traffic safety should not be ignored. Inspect safe roads and pathways for transporting equipment, and ensure proper backing procedures for trucks to prevent accidents. In high-risk professions like construction, logging, deep-sea fishing, and storm chasing, safety inspections are vital. They help manage hazards through rigorous checks and protective measures. Each profession has its unique safety protocols, but the goal remains the same: to prevent injury or death in hazardous environments. A thorough construction site safety inspection covers personal protective equipment, fall protection, electrical safety, tool safety, hazardous materials, housekeeping, confined spaces, emergency preparedness, training, and traffic safety. This comprehensive approach is essential for creating a safe workplace amid the risks of construction work.